Okay, my name is Amy Sanderson, and this is my digital learning assignment. Today we are going over beginning sounds using farm animals. Let's see. Okay, class, we're going to guess this picture by listening to the animal names in the sentence. So, this animal likes to eat grass. It's a big farm animal. It provides us with milk. The cow is brown and white. What farm animal did I describe? That is right. Cow. Cow. Cow makes the k sound in the beginning. Next animal. This animal has feathers. It makes the sound click, 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 click. The hen lays eggs. What animal did I describe? That's right, hen. Hen. Hen says, what letter makes the sound? H. Hen. Ooh, look at this animal. This animal likes to eat grass. It provides wool. It makes the sound ba, ba. The sheep is soft. What animal did I describe? Yes, that's right. Sheep. What sound does sheep make? Sh, 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 sheep. Tap it out. Sh, 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 sheep. It. What letter makes the sh sound? S. Good job. Okay, this animal has feathers. It has webbed feet. It makes the sound quack, quack. The duck has webbed feet. Yes, we talked about the animal duck. What sound does duck make? D, 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 duck. D, 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 duck. What letter makes the D sound? D, d, d. Dippy Duck says D. Good job. Our next animal. Ooh, it can run really fast. You can ride it. It makes the sound no. The horse has hooves. What animal can run really fast? What animal can you ride? Yes, horse. Horse. What letter makes? Yes, H. Horse. What other animal had the H sound? Hen. Good job. Hen. Our next one. This animal is bigger than a chicken. It has really huge feathers. It makes the sound gobble, gobble, gobble. The turkey has great eyesight. What animal did we talk about? Yes. Turkey. Tap it out. Turkey. Turkey. This animal makes what sound? Yes. Like Tommy. Tommy. Turkey. Good job. You did so well.